Hello, my name is Jennifer. Here is your chance to start building your own stream of monthly income from home. All you do is just mail flyers and postcards. No cold calling, no chasing family and friends, no personal selling and no computer needed. Earn $2,500 a week. Let me tell you about the unlimited $200 flyers and postcards. You can make big money every month with our Mailbox Cash Money program simply by mailing postcards and flyers. If you're looking to earn $1,200 daily, then pay close attention to this opportunity. Here's the deal. With this program, you can unlock your earning potential by sharing our unlimited $200 flyers and postcards. It's a revolutionary opportunity that has worked for countless individuals, and it can work for you too. Go to www.allyourmoney.net. Call Rick at 346-704-1754. Start today.